Did you know that God once made the sun stand still for an entire day? This incredible miracle happened when Joshua was leading God's people in battle against their enemies. In Joshua chapter 10 verse 13, the Bible says, "So the sun stood still, and the moon stopped, till the people had revenge upon their enemies." Joshua needed more daylight to win the battle, so he prayed boldly to God, and God answered by stopping the sun in the sky. Picture this. The Israelite soldiers were fighting hard, but darkness was coming. Joshua looked up and asked God for help. Suddenly, the sun froze in place like someone had pressed a pause button on the whole world. The battle continued in broad daylight until God's people won completely. This amazing story shows us that nothing is impossible for God. When we face big problems in our lives, we can pray with confidence just like Joshua did. God still performs miracles today when we trust Him completely. He controls everything in heaven and earth, even the sun and moon.